Are people going crazy about Bitcoin only because of the enormous profit they can make within a short time, or there are other reasons driving the craze? We will soon explore the hype around cryptocurrencies in this video. NRGY sponsored this video. NRGY is the future of decentralized finance. More information about NRGY at the end of this video. According to Y charts, the price of a single Bitcoin is $45,940 on August 25. The value of a Bitcoin was $11,466 a year ago, and the average growth is 89.83. It's unbelievable. Cryptocurrency has all types of investors, from billionaires to people who are living from paychecks to paychecks. In addition, cryptocurrency is digital, so people can invest worldwide and trade in the cryptocurrency market 24 hours a day, every day. On the other hand, social media is playing a huge role in fueling the craze. We see young millionaires on YouTube sharing their inspiring stories about how they made a fortune by investing in cryptocurrencies. Insightful forums like Reddit have cryptocurrency-based communities discussing and specifying the ups and downs of cryptocurrency trades and prices while analyzing its future. We are living in a time where FOMO sentiments dictate a lot of things we do. We want to possess what our neighbors have. We want to be rich and influential like Jeff Bezos, going and returning from a trip to space, and so on. And social media is just driving up to the excitement and driving colossal engagement. A great example here can be the Dogecoin. Two software engineers, Billy Marcus and Jackson, decided to create a payment method as a joke, making fun of wild speculations in cryptocurrencies in 2013. Today, the Dogecoin has become a significant success, thanks to all the memes and GIFs on the internet and Elon Musk's frequent tweets about Dogecoin. Cryptocurrency is very different from the traditional market. You may find it exhausting because there are no way to set standard profit margins or predict future estimates. However, we can only speculate its future value. The internet has changed the way we live, work, and play, and now it's changing the way we handle money. People always had to get rich quickly, with less hard work and turmoil. So people are viewing cryptocurrencies as a great way to make easy money. However, these investors are short-term and mainly want to invest in cryptocurrencies only to sell them out at higher price when the market soars. There's a lot to learn before trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, so make sure you do your research first. We're excited about this new frontier, and we want you to be too. If you liked our video, please subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification bell. This video was sponsored by NRGY. NRGY is the future of decentralized finance, a one-of-a-kind distributed business-building platform that enables the creation of decentralized apps, DApps. NRGY leverages the power of its financial technology with incentivized network community. Thanks for watching.